Morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. I'm going to make some quick and easy salsa. I hope you enjoy the video. I have some simple ingredients: tomatoes, onion, jalapeños, cilantro, garlic salt, and a lime. I am going to add 1/3 of the tomatoes, half of the onion, and the whole cup of cilantro. And process that to your desired consistency. And pour this into a container with a lid. Add the rest of your onion, only half a cup of the jalapeños, 1/3 of the tomatoes, and process that to your desired consistency. Taste your salsa to make sure it's not overpowering in heat, to decide if you're going to add the last half of the jalapeños. I am going to add the last half of my jalapeños. I think it needs more heat. Two teaspoons of freshly chopped garlic, and the rest of my tomatoes. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, but add as much salt as you need to for your desired taste. I need to chop the jalapeños up more, so I will process for a few more seconds. Don't worry if your salsa is a little bit foamy like this. Add your lime juice and stir it. That will break it down. Here is that delicious salsa. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.